Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the device settings and going straight to battery or power, because Android and many OEM skins drive background killing from there. Once done, disable battery saver and any per app optimization for the target app so the system won't deprioritize it. Make sure developer options are enabled, tap build number 7 times, then open developer options to access advanced controls that you'll need in the next steps. Now, change the app-specific and system-level behaviors so your app can run reliably. First, set the app to not optimized in battery optimization and allow background activity. That prevents automatic app suspension. Then, in developer options, adjust DOS settings or raise the background process limit. This reduces aggressive culling. Also, enable any vendor features like auto start, protected apps, or lock the app in the recent apps list, because these vendor toggles often override generic Android rules. Finish by rebooting the device so all permission and power changes take effect. Then test the app during typical usage to confirm it stays active. If the app still gets stopped, inspect the manufacturer's power manager. Xiaomi, Huawei, Samsung often add aggressive kill services and disable or whitelist your app there. If problems persist, use a DB logcat to capture system messages and identify the kill reason. That log tells you whether it's DOS, or a vendor daemon and guides the next fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.